Hello, my dear friends. I'm Jesse, and I warmly welcome you to English lesson on this channel, Safe Road TV. Do you need to learn English? The year 2026 is the year to be smart. Open your opportunities, learn English in a good, easy, and reliable way for free. But before we begin, take one quick moment to check if you have already subscribed to this channel. If not, please hit the subscribe button right now so that you don't miss any of our future lessons. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started.